Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're diving into a mechanical keyboard that checks nearly every box: custom feel, premium switches, wireless freedom, and full programmability. Meet the Keychron V1 Max, a 75% RGB hot-swappable mechanical keyboard designed for pros, gamers, and creators who crave both control and comfort. Right out of the box, this keyboard screams quality. The 75% layout keeps things compact without sacrificing key functionality. You get arrow keys, function row, and navigation buttons, all in a tighter footprint that's perfect for productivity and gaming. This particular model comes equipped with Gateron Jupiter Banana switches, a tactile option that delivers a crisp bump without being too heavy or clicky. It's ideal for typists who love feedback without excess noise. And yes, it's hot swappable, so you can easily change switches without soldering if you want to go full custom later. What really makes the V1 Max shine is its connectivity. You get 3 modes: 2.4 GHz wireless for low latency gaming, Bluetooth 5.1 for pairing with up to 3 devices, and wired USB-C for the lowest possible input lag. Whether you're working across Mac, Windows, or Linux, switching devices is seamless. This board is also QMK via programmable, meaning you can fully remap any key, build complex macros, and create custom layers all without leaving your OS. Power users, this is your dream platform. It's built on a gasket-mounted structure with sound-absorbing foam, delivering a soft yet stable typing experience. Combined with the sturdy ABS case, it feels solid and refined, a far cry from most pre-built keyboards at this price. And of course, it wouldn't be complete without per-key RGB backlighting that's fully customizable through via match your setup, build layers, or just enjoy the glow while gaming late into the night. Bottom line, the Keychron V1 Max is a powerhouse. Whether you're a creative professional, coder, gamer, or mechanical keyboard enthusiast, this board gives you total freedom and next-level typing comfort in a beautifully compact form. Click the link in the description to grab yours today. If you enjoyed this, hit like, subscribe to Gadgetverse, and stay tuned, more elite gear is just around the corner.